Welcome to the latest AI rundown. In just 4 minutes, we'll cover the hottest topics in AI today. From Google's answer to ChatGPT with its Gemini release to OpenAI's potential venture into hardware, the AI landscape is shifting fast. Plus, we'll look at NVIDIA's mind-blowing work in robotics and how you can leverage AI to validate your business ideas. Let's dive in. Google just dropped some serious AI heat with its Gemini 2.0 lineup. We're talking multiple new models including the Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental with a massive 2 million token context window. That's double what we saw on the previous Gemini Pro model. They're also focusing on efficiency with Gemini 2.0 Flash and Flashlight offering better performance at the same price point. But here's where it gets interesting. All these new models have multimodal input capabilities. That means they can process not just text but also images and audio. And Google says image generation and text-to-speech are on the roadmap. Google's clearly making a statement here, going head-to-head with OpenAI in the race for the most powerful and versatile AI. NVIDIA's been killing it in the AI game, and now they're bringing their expertise to robotics. NVIDIA, along with researchers from Carnegie Mellon, just unveiled ASAP, an AI framework that teaches robots some seriously complex moves. We're talking about robots learning from simulations and then adapting those movements to the real world. They demonstrated this with Unitree G1 robots pulling off moves you'd normally only see from athletes like LeBron James and Cristiano Ronaldo. The secret sauce? A specialized neural network that helps robots adjust to the unpredictable nature of the physical world. This is a game changer for robotics, potentially revolutionizing everything from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and even sports training. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Daily News 100 on YouTube for more updates on the latest in AI and robotics. Ever have $1 million idea but weren't sure if it would really fly? Well, now you can put your business ideas to the test using the power of AI. We're talking about using Perplexity with the new DeepSeek model to analyze market opportunities, competition, and viability. First, enable Perplexity Pro and DeepSeek reasoning. Then, just feed it your business idea and ask it to break down the market fundamentals. You can even get specific by asking it to analyze potential competitors and revenue models. It's like having a team of business analysts at your fingertips. With AI, you can validate your ideas before you invest your time and resources, saving you potential headaches down the road. OpenAI's been making waves with its software, but it looks like they have their sights set on hardware too. Recent trademark filings reveal plans for everything from humanoid robots to AI-powered wearables. We're talking smart jewelry, VR and AR headsets, smartwatches, the whole 9 yards. There have been rumors about OpenAI collaborating with legendary Apple designer Jony Ive on an AI-first phone, and these filings seem to support those rumors. Imagine a world where your phone is seamlessly integrated with advanced AI capabilities. OpenAI's clearly playing the long game here, aiming to bring AI into every aspect of our lives, not just through software, but through the devices we use every day. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Daily News 100 on YouTube for the latest updates on AI advancements and tech news. Let's wrap things up with some quick hits on the latest AI tools and job opportunities. First up, we've got Invites, Apple's AI-powered party planning tool that takes the hassle out of organizing your next get-together. Then there's LiveKit, an open-source platform for building real-time audio and video experiences, now with a new AI-powered turn detection model. For developers, a Zero-Dev lets you build fully functional mobile apps in minutes using AI. And for businesses looking to enhance their customer service, Chatbase offers AI agents that deliver magical customer experiences. Now let's talk jobs. The Rundown is hiring a marketing media buyer, Figure AI is looking for a senior soft goods engineer, Teleop and Databricks are both seeking business development representatives, and Luma AI needs a growth marketer. And that's a wrap on this AI update. We've covered some major developments from Google's Gemini 2.0 to OpenAI's hardware ambitions. It's clear that AI is evolving at a breakneck pace, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates in the world of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech news. Subscribe to AI Daily News 100 on YouTube for your daily dose of AI updates.